So you want to know how to make a studio with your cell phone? You come to the right place. Welcome guys to my channel and to my first vlog and to my first tutorial on how to make a studio on your phone and how to use it and how to record it. So let's go. So guys, in my years of being a guitarist and musician, I've been using my phone to record my music, and these are the results and this is what I use. So I'll be listing down the things that you will need to make your own mobile studio, and some of the perks and some of the malfunctions or some of the failures that I did before I knew that I've been using the things the wrong way. But yeah, it's just a mobile phone, so we can bear with it. Yeah. So basically, I use my phone, I use my FL Studio, and I use a pair of broken earphones. So, pasensya na sa kurog-kurog. So, here. Yeah, this is what I use. A broken earphones. But, so, ito yung budget friendly. So, I've been using this for how many months already because some of my earphones are totally broken. This was broken recently. So, please bear it. So, guys, this is the microphone that I'm using. A pair of broken earphones, but one of them are still working, so you can bear with me with my audio if you have seen other of my videos that I would link up here. So yeah, so guys, this will be the equipments that you will be using in recording your own mobile studio. The equipment that I'll be using is my phone, microphone, an earphone, a headphone that I use. I don't use this mic because the mic is low quality like this. And I use my amp, my guitar amp. Wait. Okay guys, this is my amp, an Engineering Boston amp. This has served me for 4 years and has a price range of 4 to 5,000. So this is what I'm using when I'm recording. So, and let's go to the other one. Okay guys, this is my pedal. This is a Nux FX10. And this has been with me for more than 3 years, 2 years. I've been with many competitions, many concerts in school, in Tacloban, in my cities, in Ormoc. And so I've been using this for how many recordings already, and so far it's good. If you have this, yeah, you can use it at your recording. So this is how I record my music. So I grab a piece of microphone and earphones, I place it in front of my amp, and I start recording with my guitar and with FL Studio. So here it is. Okay guys, please watch my upcoming video this June. That will be a mic condenser opening. I bought it from Shopee, so